what I did in the beginning of the season of the Firesiders podcast is I had Future Sander here.
Yeah.
I don't know if you saw
Yeah, I
Future
saw him.
Sander. Yeah, and then I just tried to program ChatGPT to copy me like that, how I was, but with the imagination of the future. And this didn't work because the gap it was trying to fill between the copy of me plus like making him think, that he's years ahead. He had to invent the years ahead.
Yeah.
And it was creating like wishful thinking or something, or it was creating its own vision, which didn't work. So I kind of abandoned Future Sander, but also not because, I'm still working on Future Sander, but instead of trying to have AI solve my future, I'm actually trying to have it give me language so I can move towards my future with more confidence.
Yeah. I heard it a lot of entrepreneurs who start, and also now, that the only companion that they have is Claude, Gemini, ChatGPT on so many levels. And I saw a post recently about an entrepreneur. She said it takes a village to raise children. It takes a village to raise a brand, a company. So where are our villages? We don't have any villages left. Now it's just ChatGPT. We don't have people anymore. But you have to make sure that everything that you do, it takes a village. But we don't have villages.
I talked about this kind of mirror feeling. Ultimately, my idea is that I can help you online, but the real conversations happen here. We've talked to each other a few times now, and I could never do that with my Future Sander. The companion I invented, it's never going to be a replacement. My framework or just using the AI LLMs as they are, it will never be a replacement. It can only fill the gaps we unfortunately now find ourselves in with our current society. We're losing our tribe.
We need to make sure that we belong again to our tribe and make sure that you have the right tribe. I think that's a big challenge.